Well, early December, and we've got some brickwork going on, which is a bit exciting. Brickies have finally arrived and making progress. Wow.
Smashed. Are they the ones that are chipped?
They're the ones that John Wick's rejected. Well, a little December update. It's now almost Christmas. I think we've got a week to go before Christmas. Roughly. The bricklayers have been working here now for they've been bricking for about 2 weeks, and have basically run out of bricks. So and I'll show you the reason why they've run out of bricks in a moment. The plan was to finish bricking by Christmas and have the brickwork cleaned. I guess we'll see how that goes. But yes, they ran out of I think sand and bricks, so the sand's been delivered and some more mortar. We've got the side of the house there. And the reason why we run out of bricks is, to me, it looks like the quality of the brick. So that's the pile of the bricks that the bricklayers have rejected for one reason or another. And I certainly, I have no problem with that. If we have poor quality bricks, then let's not use them. So I'm not sure if that's normal or not, but certainly looks like a lot to me. So, like anything these days, it just seems to be hard to get quality. It's only just good enough, not brilliant. And then if you get any variance in them, then of course they get trashed. So yeah, there's probably, I'd hate to guess, it's probably 2 or 3 pallets of bricks sitting right there. So